So guys, as promised, I'm about to show you guys the final product of the control arms painted when it's on. So it looks pretty good, doesn't look too bad. Kind of dirty right now. Hey, come here. Come here. Unreal. Got that chameleon. And it's a little dusty. But yeah, got those on. And got alignment for it. Where? But yeah guys, so today we are not working on the truck or the 240. We're working on this. As you can see, the tire's ripped. Don't ask me what happened, but long story short, I was packing my friend on this Pitbike and the tire popped. So we're about to change that right now. And to be honest, I don't even know how to change it. I mean, I changed like bike tires and stuff, but I don't know if it's the same. Maybe it is. But I'm gonna find out today. So we can try by taking this out. The rear axle nut. Axle nut, whatever. Never did this before, so don't mind me, huh? Whack this off. Ooh. Okay. And it's off. Then you can start by taking like 2 pry bars or screwdrivers, or they actually make like a certain tool to like pry off tires, but I can't find mine, so I'm gonna use this. Just work your way around. And once you get like halfway there, it's kind of easy. Then now to get the other side of the tire on the outside. So I got the tire off, and now just gotta unscrew this part, the valve stem. Pop it off. Yeah, look at that. Well, would you just look at that? The rocks are run flat rocks. And I got my new tire and tube right here. Man, you can tell this thing has been sitting for like a very long time. There's like surface rust everywhere on everything metal, which I should take more care of. But So first we are going to install this, the tube, and everything is pretty much the same process but in reverse. I don't know how to do this though. Am I supposed to put a little bit of air in this or no? Or do I put the tube inside here first? Don't know. Or maybe put the tire first. Because if I put the tube on first and I put the tire after, what if I accidentally puncture the tube? Smart, yeah? I don't know. Don't mind me, guys. A little bit of soapy water would help. Just rub it in there. So I got the first part on, and now I think I should like put a little air in this, just so like when I put it inside it doesn't get like all pinched and deformed and stuff. That's good. Maybe this is like too much air, but we can always take some out. Oh yeah, this is too much. We're gonna fit it inside here. The valve stem hole is right here, so put that over there. And I would just put the lock ring on just so it doesn't I'll put the nut on so it doesn't really like move. You don't have to tighten it down too much yet. Yeah, just put them around. Then once your tube is fitted inside, we're down to the last part, seating this bead on the rim, the other side of the tire. So this part we want to be careful because we don't want to damage the tube inside, but like we always do, good chance them. Alright, that's that. So let's go put air and hopefully everything is well. Oh man, this stuff can't even fit. I don't even know how many PSI this is supposed to be. But it's hard enough for me. And now, how to figure out how to get this thing back together. Because I forget. So I know this goes like this. And I think this goes here. Don't forget about the chain. Put the chain on the sprocket. Oh, this too, the brake. once you got that in, put this thingy, pop that sucker in. Just gotta tighten it down. I think we're ready. The last time I rode this was when the tire popped, and that was like back in August of last year. I never started the bike ever since then. So yeah, let's go ahead and try start it. I'm scared to start them. With this bike, when I start it, sometimes it kicks back. And bro, the kickback on the bike is pretty sore. So I'm gonna try and push start it. But first, make way. You know what? I'm just gonna try and start it anyways. Well, kickstart. Never mind. I'm gonna kickstart it. Well, I almost got it started. So how to kickstart the pit bike is you put it in like first or second gear, hold the clutch in and push it as fast as you can, and then hop on the bike and pop the clutch while you're hopping on, and it should start. So I'm gonna try like right here. Let the bike warm up for now because I haven't started it in for like almost half a year, and yeah, just to get like the oil flowing. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then take it out, take it around the block for a spin. So yeah guys, I took it around the block, like around the block, and man, it's been a while. I haven't ridden this in so long, but it's pretty fun. I think I just gotta like tune it up, change the spark plug maybe, because It's kind of sputtering at like high RPM, like right before you shift gears. But yeah, still runs. I'll catch you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.